one that forces everyone involved to re-examine every detail of the last 15 minutes.
Southwest 15 to 10 miles an hour. Up 25 miles north and east. First, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour.
Cruises towards Los Angeles International
Later, mostly upper 50s. Northwest
LAX
winds
is a
up to
central
10
hub
miles an
for
hour.
international travel.
Up 25 miles north and east. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, and mostly cloudy with a 20%
For the
chance of
approach,
showers
Captain
overnight.
Colin Shaw is managing
Lows in the
radio
lower 60s.
communications.
Saturday, showers
First
likely
officer
and
David
slight
Kelly is
chance
at
of
the controls.
thunderstorms in the morning, then showers likely.
With 89 passengers on board, the flight isn't quite full.
Well, I did a business trip to Columbus, Ohio. I went business to Columbus Airport and got a U.S. Air Flight that was nonstop to Los Angeles. Planned out a lot of good things and good times for everybody.
As the Boeing 737 hits Los Angeles, the approach controller tells the pilots to make a quick descent. They will need to stay clear of the flight passing buffer.
Okay, four. U.S. Air Force.
Landing at LAX can be a challenge for pilots. The airspace around the airport is often thick with traffic. On average, a plane arrives or departs every